Hey Flawless fam, welcome back to the channel, you guys. It's Christina, and if you're new here, I help with your fitness, self-care, and self-love journeys. Today we are going to talk about the top 5 beginner skincare myths, and we're going to bust them so you can finally stop stressing over your routine and start glowing. And make sure to join the Flawless fam by clicking that subscribe button so you don't miss any self-care, self-love, or fitness tips. So let's get into the video. Myth number 1 is expensive products are always better. Honey, no they're not. You may think the more expensive the product, the better results you're gonna get. The truth is, the price doesn't equal how good of a quality product that you're getting. I buy my skincare at Walmart from ITK, and it's a great product, and it costs a lot less, like a lot less, and it's a great product, and my skin has felt amazing. And many of those, like ITK or many of the affordable brands, still have the high quality ingredients that your skin needs. So why are we buying these expensive things when the cheaper brands have just as much, if not better, quality ingredients? Focus on the ingredients like hyaluronic acid or vitamin C instead of the price tag. Myth number 2 that needs to be busted: you need to wash your face multiple times a day. So you think that washing your face multiple times a day is better. The truth is, over cleansing can strip your face, can strip your skin of its natural oils, causing dryness and irritation. For most people, including myself, twice a day is enough. Morning and night, that is perfect. You don't have to wash your face multiple times a day to keep it clean. Wash it morning and night so you're not stripping your face of your natural oils and making it super dry and itchy and just feel awful. You think that you're doing a great thing for your skin when you're like washing it a lot, but the truth is it only needs to be washed twice a day. You don't have to wash it a bunch of times to make yourself clean. You're clean, just wash it morning and night. That's all you need to do. And if you're a beginner and only can wash your face at night, that is okay. That is fine. Do it one time and then build up to 2 times. You don't have to wash your face a bunch. That is a myth. You don't have to wash it a bunch to keep it clean. Myth number 3 is natural means safe for everyone. So natural products are safe for everyone. They're always safe, right? No, not right. Just because something says natural doesn't mean it's a good product, and doesn't mean it's good for your skin. Just like eating food that people say that's organic, that doesn't mean it's always good for you. Same thing with skincare. If it says natural, it doesn't always mean that it's a good product for your skin. Some plant extracts and essential oils can cause irritation or allergic reactions. My advice is to always patch test on your arm or somewhere that's not on your face, or even on your face, like on a small section, and see how your skin is going to react. Because some formula with skincare is not as good for people. It's not as good as what it could be for someone else. So make sure you patch test so that you know that your skin isn't going to have an irritation or breakout or allergic reaction. Myth number 4 is you don't need sunscreen on cloudy days. And I used to be like this, where I didn't think I would need sunscreen, like to go out to the pool or to go wherever with sunscreen on if it was cloudy. Unfortunately, UV rays can penetrate through clouds, meaning your skin is still exposed to the sun even if you think that it's not. Daily sunscreen application is a must. It's a necessity. It is a must. And it's a must protecting your skin from early aging and skin damage and wrinkles and all the things. Yes, even on cloudy days, you still need to protect your skin from the sun. So if you go out to the beach, if you go out to the pool, if you just go out of your house, I don't care where you are, and it's cloudy, don't be like, oh, I don't need to wear sunscreen today. Yes, queen, you need to wear sunscreen. Put it on and wear it. And the last myth is you can fix all your skincare concerns overnight. Sounds good, doesn't it? Unfortunately, just like anything, just like fitness, just like losing weight, just with any goal, in any routine, anything literally. It takes time, it takes effort, and it takes time. And it takes consistency. Just like with losing weight, it takes consistency to build up a skincare routine and getting your skin flawless in the way that you want it to look. Even the best products can't give an instant glow or an instant result. Give your routine at least 4 to 6 weeks and your skin time to adjust for at least 4 to 6 weeks before expecting major changes. I promise the major changes will come. You just gotta give yourself a little bit of time and your skin a little bit of time to get those results, but I promise you will get them. And there you have it, Fit Flawless fam. The top 5 skincare myths busted. So which myth surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear it. And don't forget to like this video, comment any other videos that you would like to see, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.